Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublay pi baro ginilong kubor bam tagasngi. Kawat baar jong kajingya kren pynbeit put hapreng umentri rang ba ka Assam ban Meghalaya kalasdang ne kasngi balang hapo ka guest house koinan Dora Hagati. Ka kinhon balit ya shimbenta na ka jila Meghalaya ki kinthop ya umentri rang ba ka jila Conrad ki Sàngma usimbot mentri rang ba prestun tensong bat ba snyau bhalang dhar bat umentri sarkar ba coming one amban lembat ki he officer kinthop u chief secretary. Ka kinhon na Assam ki kinthop ya umentri rang ba HImanta Biswa Sarma umentri sarkar Atul Bora Pijosh Hazarika bat Chandra Mohan Patowe lembat ki he sarkar. Kajingya kren hagani ka kinti jong kawat baar kalong na kabenta ki hinriu tali ki jaka barangdon hapreng kajingya ki iba kinthop ya kalangpi Bordwar Nongwa Mautamur Deshdum Re Block 1 but Block 2 but Siar Khanduli. La ban kedo bahaka arkundai turik leber arhajar arfuar umentri rang ba ka Assam bat Meghalaya klia soy ka soskular bala pynbeit ya ki hinriu tali ki jaka na preng ki khat artali ki badan hapreng ka jingya ka ja ha ka jingya don ringkat umentri kampo ying kari u Amit Shah. Ya kini ki soskular la soy hapreng ki arngut ki mentri rang ba ha ka jingya don lang ki chief secretary na baro artali ki jilla lembar ki he officer na ka Ministry of Home Affairs MHA.
Friends, I, along with my colleague, met Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and his team for continuing the border talks, which we temporarily suspended because of the elections in Meghalaya. As you know, we have already settled 6 areas of dispute, and from today the regional committees of both the state will start meeting, start visiting the other 6 sites or other 6 areas where difference still exists. In the month of June, basically in the last part of June, Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will visit Karbi Alang and Jaintia Hills area where presently some unrest is going on as a confidence building measure so that the people in both sides feel confident and they will be assured that both the state will resolve the differences, resolve the dispute with a spirit of the long existed friendship between the people of Meghalaya and Assam. I think today is the another beginning, because after Sri Conrad Sàngma re-elected to the post of Chief Minister Meghalaya, for the first time we are interacting at the official level, and I believe that through a process of discussion, mutual trust and confidence, we will be able to resolve the other 6 areas of disputes much earlier than what we are expecting. So this is what I want to say, and I will request CM Meghalaya to address all of you. Okonman Ahomiyate Kotha has said that this 6 area is little bit complicated in nature. So putting a time frame is probably not a very fair idea, but what we have agreed today, that we will again meet in the month of July to review the progress of the work done by our regional committees. So there will be some area where we can arrive at settlement earlier, some area it will take time. So in this meeting today, we have consciously decided not to put any time frame before us, but we have decided to meet again in the month of July.
How complicated are the remaining 6 distributed sites in comparison to the previous 6 ones?
You see, out of these 6 area, we have Lampi and we have also Khanduli Block 1, Block 2, and there people of both sides are emotive. It is not that the temperature is different in both the states. Both the states are emotive about this issue, and in Assam side the question of autonomous district council also there, where Assam government do not directly have a control over the land. So these areas will be little bit difficulty, but as CM Meghalaya has said, when there is a will, there will be a way. So we have decided to progress, we have decided to go ahead with the spirit of friendship, and we believe that solution will come out, but we don't want to put a time frame. People, and we'll try to see, we'll assure people that look, this problem will resolve amicably, maintain peace for the time being.
One more question. Block 1 and Block 2 was transferred to Assam for permanent state of control by way of notification 1951. So are you looking at this notification and discuss it seriously?
Let us not go into the details of the nitty-gritty. This will be looked after by the regional committee.
The Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his colleagues for having hosted this very, very important and crucial meeting. We have attended this meeting along with the different chairmen of the different regional committees, and as has been mentioned already by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that this is the beginning of the process to find a solution to the 6 areas of differences which are left between Assam and the state of Meghalaya. As mentioned in the meeting today, we went through all the details and all the different reports and different discussions took place, and we have asked now the regional committees to now start the process of fact-finding, going into the details, discussions with stakeholders, and the same process which was followed in the previous phase. The regional committees will go through that. We'll have multiple meetings, and as I said, we'll consult with multiple stakeholders, and we hope that we will be able to get reports very soon. In some areas it may be faster, some areas may take a bit more time, and during that process and procedure, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting the different areas, especially in the areas bordering Karbi Along and West Jayante Hills, where we know that some tension has come in. And this visit is mostly to appeal to the people that we should maintain peace, to give them the confidence that we are serious about this entire procedure and process, and we would like to come to a solution at the earliest, but during that process we need to also maintain peace. So these steps will be taken. We expect that in the month of July we will be meeting again to review the reports or the progress of work of the different committees, and I'm very confident that with the leadership that we have in Assam under the leadership of Dr. HImanta Biswa Sarma ji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we'll be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved for the future. At the same time, we have also asked the different departments, the Survey of India, to continue with the survey work that is going on in the first 6 areas of differences, and we have asked them to discuss with the different officials and in the public at the grassroots level to ensure that we take everybody into confidence and we are able to finish the survey work also for the first 6 areas of differences at the earliest. So with these few words, I once again, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya, would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his government for having ministers. And the regional committees have got different stakeholders, especially local representatives. And as I said, the regional committees, as done before, they will be consulting and conducting several meetings with many stakeholders. So our idea is that we want to really take everybody together and find an amicable solution to this.